Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play color by number on Roblox. To begin, simply open the Roblox application on your device and use the search bar to find color by number games. There are many options available, so pick one that looks fun and has good reviews. Once you've loaded into the game, you'll notice a large, uncolored image divided into many small sections, each marked with a specific number. This is your canvas, ready for your creative touch. Understanding the game mechanics is quite straightforward. Your screen will display a color palette, usually at the bottom or side, showing various colors, each assigned a number. Your task is to match these numbers with the numbers on the blank sections of your image. Simply click or tap a numbered area on the canvas, then select the corresponding numbered color from your palette. With each correct selection, that small section of your picture will instantly fill with the chosen color. To color more efficiently, try focusing on one color at a time. Find all the sections that require, for example, the number 3 color, and fill them in before moving to the next. Many games offer a zoom feature, which is incredibly helpful for those tiny, detailed areas, ensuring you don't accidentally color outside the lines. Some games even provide special tools, like a Fill All button for a particular color, which can save you a significant amount of time. Many color by number games on Roblox offer exciting advanced features to keep you engaged. You might find new images added daily, providing a fresh challenge with hundreds of sections to color. As you complete more pictures, you could unlock special brushes, unique patterns, or even new themes. Don't forget to share your beautifully finished artwork with your friends and the wider Roblox community. It's a fantastic way to showcase your creativity and connect with others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.